In this video, we are going to revise Mauryan period in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam. So let's begin. Introduction to the Mauryan period. Historical significance. Mauryan period circa 321 to 187 BCE marks a pivotal era in Indian history characterized by political unification, administrative excellence, and cultural advancement. Geographical impact. Madhya Pradesh was an integral part of the Mauryan Empire, contributing to its political and cultural landscape. Key Mauryan rulers in Madhya Pradesh. Chandragupta Maurya 321 to 297 BC. Founders of Mauryan Empire after defeating the Nanda dynasty. Unified most of India, including Madhya Pradesh, under a centralized administration. Established a robust administrative system relevant even today. Bindusar 297 to 273 BC succeeded Chandragupta, expanded the empire. Faced rebellion in Taxila and Avanti, Madhya Pradesh. Sent Ashoka to suppress rebellion in Taxila and later appointed him as a provincial governor of Avanti. Ashoka 268 to 232 BCE, considered one of India's greatest emperors. Served as a provincial governor in Ujjain for 11 years before ascending the Magadha throne. Conquered Kalinga, leading to his adoption of Buddhism. Promoted Buddhism in Madhya Pradesh, evident from numerous stupas and inscriptions. Ashoka's contributions in Madhya Pradesh. Administrative role. As a governor of Ujjain, Ashoka quelled local rebellion and foreign invasions without warfare, establishing stable governance. Divyadan confirms his role as Avanti's provincial governor during Bindusar reign. Buddhist propagation. Post Kalinga, Ashoka embraced Buddhism, leading to widespread Buddhist influence in Madhya Pradesh. Constructed 84,000 stupas across India, including the iconic Shachi Stupa as per Chinese traveler Faxian. Sent his children Mahendra and Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism. Mahendra and Sanghamitra. Inscriptions and edict. Rupnath Manor rock edict Katni confirms Ashoka's Buddhist faith. Language Prakriti, script Brahmani. Gurjara inscriptions Dadia uses Jambudvipa for Indian subcontinent. Ashoka's identifies as a Buddhist follower, updated confirmed by recent archaeological studies. 2024. Pangadia inscriptions Sihor mentions Ashoka's visit and Buddhist activist. Others inscriptions found in Kasaravad, Nimar, Karitalai and Kharwai and Bhayapura. Ashokan pillars with Buddhist symbol lion, bull, elephant, horse wheel. Found in Sanchi, Solang, Ujjain and Devrakota Riva. Sachi pillar contains an edict expelling schismatic monks. Symbol represent Buddhist life event. Elephant conception. Bull birth, lion Saklan. Horse great departure. Modern stupas in Madhya Pradesh. Definition. Stupas are dome-shaped structure built over relics, derived from Sanskrit word for heap. These stupas, Sanchi Stupa built in 3rd century BC by Ashoka, expanded in the Sunga period. Houses relics of Sariputra and Mahogallana. Dimensions 120 feet. Diameter 54 feet height. Known as the triple hemispherical stupas, discovered by General Taylor in 1818, restored by Sir John Marshall. UNESCO World Heritage Site 1989. Ujjain's Buddhist Mahastupas, West Tekri. built to house Buddha's relics, Robin seat after his Mahaparinirvan, expanded by Ashoka's wife Devi and Vaisyas, hence locally called West Vaisyategri, excavated by M.G. Gadre. In 1938-39, Satadhara Stup near Shanchi, discovered by Cunningham in the year 1883, a significant Buddhist center. Devrakota Stupas in Riva, developed as a Buddhist center during the modern period. Kasravat Stupas, Khargon, major centers for Buddhist education during Ashoka's reign. Bharahut Stup Satna, constructed in the modern period, expanded in the Shunga period, discovered by Cunningham in the 1873, features limestone railing and gateway. Navdadoli Stupas Khargon, located on the Narmada rivers, a significant modern site. Construction made of bricks and mud mortar, often built at religious or strategic locations like crossroads and highways. Modern social and economic conditions, urban development. Major cities Ujjain, Mahismati, Vidisha, Shachi, Aran, Tripuri, Pavaya. Wagila Dashpur. Ujjain was the most prominent, serving as a political, religious, and educational hub. Agriculture, evidence from excavation, Kaitha, Mahidpur, Maheshwar, Navdaroli. Source farming since 2000 BCE. Modern period introduced scientific agriculture. Crops included wheat, gram, peas, lentils, mung, beans, and rice. Textile industry, Malwa region, Ujjain, Vidisha was known for cotton textile. Kautilya's paste, Mahishmati, cotton fabrics, Aran and Ujjain had mints for coin production. Trade and economy, modern coins, punched mark found across Madhya Pradesh, indicating a strong economy. Modern art and architecture, pillar art, royal art form with Buddhist symbols used for religious and political messaging. Examples Sachi, 6.75-meter Nagori stone pillar, Devra Kothar with 6-line inscriptions, Shodhang elephant capital. Stupas serve as a religious and national symbol, built at key locations like Kaushambi, Tumen, Sadhara, and Vidisha. Educational institutions, Ashoka established a university in Ujjain teaching Buddhism, astrology, and astronomy. Decline of modern empire, end of modern rule. After Ashoka's death in 232 BC, the empire weakened. In 187 BC, the last modern ruler, Brihadat, was killed by his general Pushyamitra Shungas, who founded the Sunga dynasty. Post-modern dynasty in Madhya Pradesh, Sunga dynasty 187 to 75 BC, founded by Pushyamitra Shunga after assassinating Brihadat, controlled central part of the former modern empire. Major cities included Sanchi, Ujjain, and Vidisha. Agnimitra, provincial governors of Vidisha, expanded empire to Vardha river. Heliodorus, pillar Vidisha, elected by Greek ambassador Heliodorus, dedicated to Vishnu, indicating Vaishnavism rise. Satavahan dynasty gained prominence in Deccan, controlled part Madhya Pradesh eastern. Malwa, Gautamiputra Satkarni defeated Shak rulers. His coin found in Bhilsa and Devansh. Evidence from Sanchi, southern gateway, inscriptions and Nandaghat inscriptions, Indo-Greek, ruled northwest India. Coin of Demetrius and Menander found in the Vidisha and Balaghat. Sak Chhatraps, established rule in Malwa, founded by Chasna, with Rudradaman as the most powerful ruler. Rudradaman repaired the Sudarshan Lake, originally built by Chandragupta Maurya. Coin of Moas, Ajay's first, and Jayadaman, found in Indore, Ujjain, Shivpuri. Nag dynasty founded by Vrishnag in Vidisha, late 2nd century CE. Capital shifted to Padmavati, Gwalior. Rulers included Bhimanag, Skandnag, and Ganapatinag, conquered by Samudragupta. Samudragupta in 4th century CE. Vagada dynasty ruled Bidhar and parts of Madhya Pradesh 3rd to 6th century CE. Vindhyashakti first rulers ruled Vidisha. Pravarshana I performed Ashwamedh allied with Nagastra marriage. Rudrasena II married Prabhavati, daughter of Chandragupta II, strengthening Gupta Vagadic ties. Coins and inscriptions found in Chhindwara, Sivani Betul, and Indore. Gupta period in Madhya Pradesh. Rise of Gupta dynasty 4th to 6th century CE. Founded by Sri Gupta, real prominence under Chandragupta I. Chandragupta I, 319 to 320 CE, started the Gupta era, married Lichavi, Princess Kumara Devi. Samudragupta's conquered parts of Madhya Pradesh, including Aran, Shobhog. Nagari defeated Nag rulers Achyut and Nagasena. Ramgupta ruled briefly. Evidence from Vidisha's Jain cave and copper coins. Chandragupta's second Vikramaditya defeated Sak rulers Rudrasim. Third, annexing Malwa, issued silver coins, established Ujjain as a major center. Inscription Sachi mentions General Amrakardev. Udayagiri mentions Minister Veersena. Kumargupta first appointed Bandhuvarma as a governor, faced Pushyamitra rebellion suppressed by Skandagupta. Skandagupta controlled part of Madhya Pradesh. Gold coin found in Damo. Bhanugupta fought Huna king Tormad. Evidence of sati practice in Aran inscription 510 BCE. Gupta art and architecture sculpture. Gupta sculpture Shiva, Vishnu, Buddha, Kartikeya or lifelike showcasing physical beauty and emotional expression. Stupas and pillars. Sanchi Stupas number 26, 34, 35. Nagori stone pillars number 26, 6.75 meter and number 35 with Vajrapani Bodhisattvas. Caves. Udayagiri caves. Vidisha. Jain and Hindu caves. Caves 5 has Z and Varaha statue. Cave 20 linked to Jainism. 425 CE. Bagh caves. Dhar 5th to 6th century Buddhist cave with paintings similar to Ajanta temples. Tigba temples, Katni. Vishnu temples with Ganga and Yamuna carving. Bhumra Shiva temple, Satna, 5th century temple with single face shivling. Nashna Kuthar Parvati temple, Panna. Gupta era temples with ornate doorways. Gupta inscriptions. Mandsaur's inscription, Mandsaur. Language Sanskrit. Script Brahmi. Mentions Kumargupta, Vishwarma and Bandhuvarma. Described Mandsaur as Earth's Tilak. Record silk weavers. Migrations from Lata, Gujarat, and the construction of a sun temple updated. Like considered the world first advertisement. It was asked in exam 2021. Two main inscriptions Ashok Nagar dated Gupta era 116. 435 CE mentions Kumargupta. Ghatotkach. Aran stone pillar inscription Sagar mentions Samudraguptas, Buddhaguptas, Bhanugupta and Hune king Tormad. Describes Aran as a Swabhog Nagari. Confirms sati practice 510 CE. Mentions Chandragupta II as Maharaja Dhiraj. Record Amar Kartav donation to Buddhist monks. Udayagiri gives inscription Vidisha. Describes Chandragupta II's virtues and Minister Veersena's role highlighted. Religious tolerance, cultural and scientific achievements. Ujjain as a cultural hub. Centers for literature with poets gathering for competitions. Vaishnavism was prominent with rulers identifying as a Param Bhagavat. Scientific advancement. Varahamira 6th century CE, born in Kapitaka, Ujjain. Works Brihat Samhita, Manch Siddhantika, Brihat Jataka and Laghu Jataka. Brihat Jataka and Laghu Jataka. It is a Jataka story. Contributions to astronomy, mathematics and astrology. Praised by Al-Biruni in Kitab Hind. In the 11th century, decline of Gupta Empire causes Hun invasion, internal weaknesses, feudal rebellions, and rise of new powers. Bhangupta's defeat by Hun king Tormod marked the decline. Hun rule. Tormod and Mehirkul invaded Malwa, defeated by Yashodharman and Vishnuvarman of the Oligar dynasty. Other post-Mauryan dynasties: Oligar dynasty, Daspur Manshar, Narvarma, Vishwarma, Bandhuvarma, Ali rulers under Gupta suzerainty. Prakash Dharma built Prakash Veshwar, Shiva temple and Vibhishan tank. Vishnudharman defeated Hun king Mihirkul, established a vast empire 532 CE. Shonadani inscriptions, Parivrajak, Uchkal, Pandu and other dynasties ruled parts of Madhya Pradesh aligned with or opposed Gupta authority. Here is a revision note. Mauryan period in Madhya Pradesh: significance, political unification, administrative excellence, Buddhist propagation. Key rulers: Chandragupta Maurya founded Mauryan Empire, unified Madhya Pradesh. Bindusara faced rebellions in Takshila. Avanti and Ashoka far suppressed them. Ashoka, governors of Ujjain for 11 years, adopted Buddhism post Kalinga. Built Sanchi Stup, sent Mahendra and Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka. Inscriptions: Rupnath, Katni. Ashoka's Buddhist faith: Prakrit Brahmi. Guru Jagdatiya mentions Jambudip. Ashoka is a Buddhist. Pangodia, Sihor, Kasarabat, Karaital, Kharwai and Banpura. Stupas: Sanchi, 3rd century BC. Relics of Sariputra, Mahamongale. UNESCO site since 1999. Ujjain Vaiswategri, built for Buddha's relics, expanded by Devi Satadhara, Devra Kathor, Kasrabat, Barhut, Navdatoli, Buddhist centers. Pillars: Sanchi, Devra Kothar, Sodhang, elephant capital. Symbols: lion, bull, elephant. Horse wheel. Socio-economic conditions: cities: Ujjain, Vidisha, Mahismati, Sanchi, Eran. Agriculture: wheat, gram, rice, Maheshwar, Navdatoli. Evidence: textile: Malwas cotton. Fabrics made in Ujjain, Eran. Decline: Brihadatra killed by Pusmitra Shungas 187 BC. Post-modern dynasties: Shungas dynasty 187-75 BC. Pusmitra Shunga founder controlled Sanchi, Ujjain, Vidisha. Agnimitra's Vidisha governors expanded to Vardha river. Heliodorus pillars, Vaishnav pillar in Vaishnagar. Satvahan dynasty: Gautamiputra Satkarni ruled eastern Malwa, coin in Bhelsa, Devansh. Indo-Greek Detrimatus Menanders, coin in Vidisha and Balaghat. Saksatrap Rudradaman repaired Sudarshan Lake, coin in Ujjain. Nag dynasty: Vrishang founded in Vidisha, conquered by Samudragupta. Vakatak dynasty ruled Vidarbha, allied with Guptas. Gupta period. Key rulers: Chandragupta first started Gupta era, the 19th CE. Samudragupta's conquered Aran, defeated Nagas. Chandragupta's second defeated Sakas, issued silver coins. Kumaragupta first, Skandagupta, Bhanugupta faced Hun invasion. Art and architecture: sculpture like Shiva, Vishnu, Buddha statues. Caves: Udagiri, Jain Hindu, Bhag Buddhist. Temples: Tigwa, Vishnu, Bhumra, Shiv, Nachna Kothar, Parvati. Inscriptions: Mandeshwar. Kumar Gupta's rule: silk weavers, sun temples. First advertisement: Aaron Samudragupta. Bhanugupta Sati evidence 510 CE. Sanchi, Udagiri, Tumain, Supia. Gupta's ruler citadel, cultural hub Ujjain, Varamira's astronomical work, decline Huna's invasion, defeated by Yasodharman in 532 CE. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video. Don't forget to press bell icon so that MPPSC and MP related exam video keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.